Hello everyone, this is Prodinker. I made a simple decompression toy before. Give him an improvement this time, and now it can rotate in both directions. Next is the assembly tutorial. The first step is to merge the two ratchets. Next, install the ratchet into the housing. Pay attention to the orientation of the housing gears. Go in the same direction. Fasten the other half of the shell. Installation spring. Assembly complete. If you like my production, remember to pay attention to a 3-piece series. The next issue will bring more interesting works. If you enjoy my creations, hit the like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for more awesome content next time.